In this episode, we talk about maintenance care alternatives and how they stack up. Let's get into it. Hi there, and welcome to part 7 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're talking about maintenance care's alternatives. Let's go. Googling maintenance care alternatives will lead you down a rabbit hole of CMMS solutions. Capterra claims top maintenance care alternatives are IBM Maximo, Fix, and Hippo CMMS. Software Advice lists Mpulse, QWare, and Connect Team. G2 says MaintainX, Fractal One, and Brightly Asset Essentials. While maintenance care alternatives include a lot of the logos I just listed, the most common and most competitive would be Limble, Upkeep, and Fix. In reviewing why organizations may choose maintenance care alternatives, reasons include the following. Number 1, lack of mobile work orders. Maintenance care does not serve companies that rely on mobile work orders. These types of organizations need to track geolocations on job sites, travel frequently to different work sites, and more. If your organization requires a lot of mobile work order needs, you'll likely be looking for a maintenance care alternative. Number 2, advanced enterprise features. Advanced CMMS features for enterprise organizations, including AI-driven predictive maintenance, certain ERP integrations, and native IoT connections with specific devices that are not supported by maintenance care, may require that you choose an alternative solution. Number 3, on-premise requirements. Maintenance care is a cloud-based platform. It does not provide self-hosting options, so if you require on-premise solutions, you will not be able to use maintenance care. Now that we've covered the reasons why businesses might choose alternatives, here are several reasons why you should choose maintenance care over the competition. Number 1, ease of use. The ease of use of maintenance care's platform enables quick navigation and reduces errors in data handling. The intuitive interface encourages user adoption, decreases training costs, and promotes consistent data entry, leading to reliable information for decision making. For busy teams who are not sitting behind a computer all day, quick and easy software is essential. Number 2, flexibility. Maintenance care allows users to customize filters to their heart's content and create automated reports to meet their specific needs, allowing for better management and visibility of maintenance tasks. Additionally, the flexibility to sort tasks and assets in different ways helps users prioritize work efficiently. Number 3, pricing. The fact you can get all the bells and whistles of a robust CMMS platform and unlimited users for only $200 a month with no long-term contract is pretty compelling. Plus, with low setup costs and onboarding costs, under $500, maintenance care is significantly more affordable than its alternatives. The free forever plan is a good introduction into maintenance care software with the option to upgrade to the full CMMS at any time. Number 4, support. Maintenance care offers unlimited support across phone, chat, and email. Plus, it's their own North American-based employees taking the calls, so you're getting top-notch support every time. Despite a crowded space and a long list of alternatives, maintenance care is a solid category leader. If you're looking for a best-of-breed CMMS solution with A+ customer service and unbeatable pricing, you won't regret selecting it. There you go, maintenance care's top alternatives. Of course, there are many more alternatives out there, but these are several of the leaders in the space based on reputation and market presence. For the rest of this series, including the full maintenance care review and maintenance care pricing, check out the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see maintenance care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it. That's all. Have a good one. Cheers.